Hey, I'm excited about this. The Fireworks Festival and Freedom Fair return July 14th, 2018 from 4 to 10 p.m. downtown Newcastle. Now, it's a community celebration brought back by Life by Dawn. Children's activities, live entertainment, street vendors, petting zoo, Zambelli fireworks at 10, bands, Trainwreck, Eugene and the Nightcrawlers, Lawrence County Brass Band, and Dante Thomas Swing Band will be there. Vendors, are welcome, and volunteers. For more information, you can call 724-652-5144, extension 181, and ask for Shelley McConnell. Now, we're going to take this break, and when we return, a whole bunch more on